Hello all, welcome to Bonadea. In this video, we are going through a very pretty collection of Arani semi-soft silk sarees. All these sarees are light in weight and soft in nature and comfortable to wear for any kind of occasions. Tiny and very beautiful plus and minus putta weavings are there running throughout the body, coming along with a cheat pallu and a contrast blouse. And this beautiful collection you are getting in an offer price of 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states even the shipping charges be from 20 and maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. For orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share your queries to the given WhatsApp number only. Also, please note our payment mode is through online only. You can either directly transfer to the account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. Also, if you guys wanted our quicker update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate WhatsApp groups for fancy silk sarees, pure Kanchipuram silk mass certified sarees and pure cotton sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. All these links be there in the description. Bonadea thanks all of you for your consistent support and hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.